bouquets.
Drop.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited because I was reached out to by this company. Yes, a floral company called BloomsyBox. And what they do is they specialize in sending out subscription flowers. Now, one thing I love is flowers, so when I got the email, I was super excited. So I'm gonna go ahead first and give you guys a little background on it. So with this company, yes, it is a subscription company, but you can get your flowers weekly, bi-weekly, or you can get them monthly. So that is definitely good. And they say that the floral arrangement in here has a long vase life. And they say that with the flowers here that they received them from Latin America, Holland, as well as Thailand, and that they say this is actually a lower cost of floral bouquets than their competitors. So I will have all the information across the screen, so if you guys are interested in the price, and I'll definitely have a coupon code for you guys as well, so that you can get a discount on this monthly subscription. And also they say that this is farm sustainable and eco-friendly. So yeah, you definitely cannot beat that. Okay, so I have my vase here. And of course I have a box. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. Ooh. Turn around so you guys can get a look at it. Okay. Oh, I can't wait, it's so pretty. This booklet here, let's see. It says welcome to BloomsyBox, and oh, that's some pretty florals. But it basically just tells you all about it, and it tells you like the pros and the tips and everything. So yeah, that's the first thing you get is this flyer here, all about the company. And next you have Color Your World. So this is a fun little postcard. They say you can color this. And I think that's it for that. And wow, it is a lot bigger than I thought. So you're definitely gonna need a knife or scissors because you have these zip ties on here. Okay, so that bad boy is not coming out, okay? So yeah, this is the bouquet here, and they got it very, very secure. Got it. I got it. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh, let's sit you over there. So they have some more protection on here. Got a little rubber band. Gonna cut that off in a minute. But yeah, as you guys can see, this is a nice size. How pretty is this? And I'm gonna cut these ends off of here, and then I'm gonna sit them into my vase. This is so pretty. This is something I can get used to every day. So again, if you guys are interested, I have a coupon code that is down below in the description box, as well as pinned in the comments, along with the website BloomsyBox.com, so that you guys can get signed up for your weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly subscription. Thank you so much to BloomsyBox for reaching out and sending this beautiful, beautiful floral arrangement. I am so excited about this. And guys, I will see you in my next unboxing. Bye.